Following his rearrest at Mpigi checkpoint while travelling to Kampala, the former Butambala County Member of Parliament, Muwanga Kivumbi, was nowhere to be seen. It was until today that he surfaced after being dropped at Natete police station, having allegedly been held incommunicado for more than 2 weeks. Muwanga Kivumbi was immediately taken to Butambala Magistrates Court under tight security to answer charges that led to his arrest. Before Magistrate Amina Wahab in Butambala, Muwanga Kivumbi has been charged with 1 count of inciting violence and managing unlawful society. Prosecution further alleges that Muwanga Kivumbi and others still at large on 9th July 2026 at Buyonga Village, Gomba Ward, Gomba Town Council in Butambala District managed an unlawful society by organizing, encouraging, or supporting members of the public to raise up against and unlawfully overthrow the government of the Republic of Uganda. Muwanga Kivumbi pleaded not guilty to all the charges. Prosecution led by Rachel Bihore informed court that investigations are still ongoing and asked court for more time to complete them. After the charges were read, Muwanga Kivumbi informed the court that he was allegedly tortured during and after arrest and displayed some of the injuries he claimed to have sustained while in detention.
Immediately after that, they applied some chemical and tried to stop the bleeding, and they said the doctor was coming. The doctor never appeared until the next day around midday. And when he examined me, he was also careful whether I didn't need a scan on the head. And later on,
through his legal team, Kivumbi applied for bail, citing his deteriorating health, and presented 3 sureties in support of his application among other grounds. Prosecution, however, asked court for more time to make its response. Magistrate Amina Wahab adjourned the case to 11th August 2026 to allow the prosecution to respond to the bail application. After court, we spoke to the accused's legal team and his relatives, and they had this to say.
More than a fair share of the beatings until he bled profusely after being hit on the head. That's when they stopped beating. The only treatment he received, he says, was only to stop the bleeding and no more. When their personal doctor came, he said, I do not know what to do with the skull because I need a CT scan, which has not been done. And of course, which could not be done there. So to answer your question, I answer it in the negative. We do not know where he has been. For the rest of the Kale or police, no Sirikale Wamaji, nga bamwegaana naye olwaleero tebatubuulidde oba bamulonze ku kkubo okusobola okumuleeta wano nga tebatuwadde na budde kunoonya mpapula kuba babadde bamanyi nti tetujja kusobola kuzifuna naye tusobodde okuzifuna mu kaseera mpaawukaaga okuva e Butambala waabwe ne ku kibuga leader of the opposition omulamuzi ow'ekitiibwa n'olunaku olw'enkya talubawadde n'abawera ddala obudde obuwera paka nga 11 omwezi gw'omunaana kuga ekyatandika ng'okuwamba kakati kyekivuddemu remand. Tubadde n'okweraliikirira kungi okubeera nga munnaffe tumunoonya tetugulaba. Olwaleero wadde waawo ng'omulamuzi tatubuulidde komera mwamulimandize mwamutwatute kwa limanda naye waakiri tumanyi ow'okubuuza Dr. Johnson Byabashaija kuba yakulira amakomera gonna mu Uganda eyali afudde bw'alemala naye kyamukisa mubi nti kati tuteekeddwa mu mbeera ejaguza n'okumanya munnaffe gye bamusibidde naye nga still musibe.
Kivumbi in incommunicado detention. They have denied severally. Police, their affidavit, they say they don't know his whereabouts. the UPDF, the affidavit, they said they don't have him, they don't know where he is. The state generally denied. That's the ping pong there has been. Of course, everybody knew because it was that roadblock mounted by police, and then it was taken by military men, some in army uniform, others in plain clothes. So it was clear who had this person. We are glad, yes, we can see him. He's in a lot of pain, but he is alive. But you see, even though we are glad to see him alive, we condemn in the strongest terms possible that it can be normal that somebody, is taken, abducted by the military, and for 3 weeks, somebody at this level, and his whereabouts are not known, and the state can be all over the place. You see, this NRM regime, it prides itself in having returned the rule of law and constitutionalism. But where is it, really?
Meanwhile, Judge Alexa, Judge of High Court Criminal Division in Kampala, has directed court assessors to deliver their opinion tomorrow, 30th July 2026, in the murder case of Susan Magara and the boda rider Derek Muwanga. In the Susan Magara case, 9 suspects are accused of her murder in 2019 along Entebbe Express Highway. In a separate case, Arosias Tamale and John Bosco Mugisha, who were allegedly captured on a CCTV camera at Kakekameng in Kampala district in 2019, attacking a boda rider with a hammer, accused in the murder of Derek Muwanga. All the accused who are facing trial while on remand have been further remanded to Ruzila Government Prison.